and gentlemen, the seatbelt sign is still on, so please remain in your seat with your seatbelt fastened till the signs have been switched off. We suggest that whenever seated, you keep them fastened. Toilets located each end of the cabin and smokes not permitted at any time. This includes e-cigarettes. The crew shortly passed through the cabin of the cafe shop. We do have fresh options on today's flight. We do have a hot and cold sandwich. Have any sandwich with a hot and cold drink and a snack. This is priced from £8.50. Or upgrade to beer, wine or cider from £11.50. Purchase any 2 beers or any 2 ciders from £10, or have any 2 wines or any 2 spirits from £11.95, or have any 2 Prosecco for £12.95, and we also do have our champagne on board today.